Hi, this is Mike Fiffick from Fiffick Law Group, the Pennsylvania Legal Shield provider. I'm here to talk to you about small business assistance that is available to you as a result of the CARES Act that was just recently enacted by the federal government. So if you're a small business, if you are self-employed, a gig worker, an independent contractor, you may be eligible to apply for a very low interest loan under this CARES Act, and some portion of that loan can be forgiven. So, are you eligible? Small businesses with fewer than 500 employees, in addition to some nonprofits, are eligible to apply for this loan. And if you are self-employed, if you have a small business, you're a sole proprietor, perhaps you are a contractor that works on your own, or you get hired into jobs where you file a Schedule C for your tax return. You're just self-employed. You don't have to be a corporation or a limited liability company or have any particular type of a formed entity. But if you are self-employed, a small business, you are potentially eligible to apply for this loan. How much can you borrow? Well, you can borrow 2.5 times your average monthly payroll costs, and that includes the pay that you would be paying to yourself if you are a self-employed person. The maximum loan is $10 million, and that won't apply to many of you, but for many small businesses, this loan could be several $100,000. So it is 2.5 times your average monthly payroll is the maximum amount of the loan that you can provide, that you can acquire. Can this loan be forgiven? Yes, it absolutely can be forgiven. So borrowers are eligible for loan forgiveness equal to the amount the borrower spent on a variety of items, including payroll, rent, utilities, interest on pre-existing mortgages and loans, and other bills. You can, if you spend the money on those things, you can have a portion of the loan forgiven that is equal to those expenses that you would have paid over an 8-week period of time, beginning on the date that the loan is approved for you. So, those amounts over a 2-month period of time can be forgiven for the loan. That's a tremendous benefit. And 75% of the loan should be used on payroll-related expenses in order to get maximum loan forgiveness. Now, loan forgiveness is not an all or nothing concept. So you can get all of that, the maximum loan forgiveness, or you can get some portion of the loan forgiveness. There's a detailed formula that is used to determine how much loan forgiveness that you can get. You have to apply for these through a qualified SBA lender. Not all banks are eligible to provide SBA loans. So you should check with your bank that you have a relationship with now to see if they are eligible to give SBA loans. This is a first come, first serve type of a program. There is not considered to be enough money to meet all of the demand that's out there. So it's very important, if you think that you might be eligible for this loan, apply as soon as you possibly can. Even if you're not sure whether you're eligible to receive this loan, it is best that you get in line and work out the eligibility process later, but get that loan application in just as soon as you possibly can. It's important that you start getting your records together. You're going to need information about your payroll-related expenses. So if you're a small business and you use a payroll provider like Paychex or some other provider like that, they should have all of this information available for you. You'll need information about health insurance premiums that you pay for your employees, your retirement benefits that you are contributing for your employees, and all of your general payroll-related matters. That's typically available from that payroll provider or your accountant. A lot of accountants are getting calls from their customers these days to provide all of this information for them. So you should absolutely be looking into this loan program. It's a tremendous loan program. A lot of this loan can be forgiven for you, so it may end up as free money for your business to help you stay afloat during this COVID crisis. If you have any questions about this loan program, I strongly encourage you to contact your Legal Shield provider firm as soon as possible. They can assist you, answer questions about eligibility and the amount of money that you can use to apply and how you calculate the amount of the loan that you can apply for. So don't hesitate to contact the Legal Shield Provider law firm in your state. Thank you.